Hi folks, thanks for taking some time to watch this video. I wanted to introduce you to a couple of features that we've implemented at our Abdo Digital Bookshelf. Some of you have seen these features, some of you may have not. So I wanted to share them with you. So when you're in your Abdo account and you're accessing an Abdo title, we've added a feature at the bottom called our share feature. So you'll notice at the bottom, we've got this share ebook button. And when you select that, you're going to get two options. You're going to get the email option. If you select that, it'll open up your email client and you can send this link to any authorized user. So if you're a classroom teacher or a school librarian, you can email this link out to any authorized user in that building. And that link is going to take you directly to that particular ebook. So that's one way to share the content. The other option is by simply selecting the copy option. If we do that, it tells us that it's copied, and I could go into a document. So for example, here we're in just a Google Doc. This could be Google Classroom. It could be Schoology. It could be any LMS system, Seesaw, whatever your school is using. And you can paste that link right into your LMS. When the students or classroom teachers on the other end of this or parents select that link, again, they're getting right into that ebook without ever seeing a login. So this is a very important feature to make your digital content shareable and usable through your LMS system and your learning tools. So that's a very important feature. What we're trying to do here is foster three main things. We're trying to foster discovery of your ebooks, accessibility, and now most recently, shareability, to make that content usable and shareable to your instructional tools. So that kind of shows you, the links to which we're going to make that content usable for classroom instruction. So right now I'm logged into my admin account. What that means is when you select the drop down, you'll see that I've got the My Account feature. The links that we share with people, what we call the token ID link, doesn't have this feature. This is only, the only way to get into this admin account is by logging in directly with the admin login. But when you do that, when you're in sort of what we call the back office, you've got all of these tools. One of them is right here. This is the direct link to your account. This is what we call the token ID link. That's what a customer would use to create a link or a button on their library site or on their Destiny homepage, maybe their Destiny Discover page as a learning link. And this is that magic link that gets you right into your Abdo account. The other thing that's here is an activity report. This is where we would run a report that shows the usage by date and shows the usage of all the content that we own. So the other feature that's brand new this fall is this generate links option. So when I select that link, it's going to take a minute because there's a lot of content in this account. But what it's going to do is give me the ability to export a document that shows all of the titles that this customer owns, along with the token ID or what we call direct or no login links to all of that content. So it gives you the option of exporting that document. You could share that with your teachers, with students. So as an example, if I select my Abdo Zoom articles, it's going to pull up this link for me, and it's downloading a file. And so here you'll see the database is listed here, so it shows the animals. Then we get down to the animales, which is the Spanish version of animals. It shows the biographies articles and all of the STEAM articles. So these are every single article in our Abdo Zoom database with a direct link to them. So if I select this, it takes me right into this article on Light, right from the back office of your account. Okay, and that's for someone who owns Abdo Zoom. The same is true for the Abdo Digital titles. When I select that file, it shows me all of the articles that are, or excuse me, ebooks that are in this account. So in this account, I've only got, you know, a couple dozen ebooks, but they're all listed here. And when I want to go to any one of those titles, I select the link right here. And again, it takes me right into that ebook. So imagine a school librarian is in their back office and they want to go to those links. They could open this file and share it with any of their classroom teachers or students or parents. And that person would have a listing of all of the ebooks that they own that are digital from Abdo. You've got the ISBN column, you've got the title, the series it comes from, the format, so digital database, read-to-me ebook or hosted ebook, and then the URL to get directly into that ebook. And so again, this is a great way to share out your content to make it easy to get to. A teacher could take these links and put them into their learning portals or their LMS and make it very easy to get to that content. So this is a very important feature. So as some of you may know, the share feature is not available in the read-to-me ebook format. That read-to-me ebook format is a different interface than our regular hosted ebook. But we still want to make sure that those read-to-me ebooks can be shared and used just like any of our content. So this is the way you would do that. You would go to your back office, you'd run this report, and here is the link for those read-to-me ebooks. So if we wanted to share out, for example, this Dragonfly migration book from Abdo Kids, here's the link to do that, and here's the way you would open that up. Again, it takes us right into that ebook, but as you can see in the interface, that share feature isn't here. So it's still shareable, just in a different way. So I just wanted to show you what those features look like. I hope you'll share these out with your customers, and feel free to share this with them, this video. And I appreciate you taking some time to look at this. It's just our way of making sure people see how focused we are in being able to share your Abdo content. Thanks for watching.